Hello everyone, my name is Harrison Kumsin, and today I'm going to take you through a presentation about computer hardwares. When we say computer hardwares, they are the physical components of a computer that you can feel with your hands, that you can see with your eyes, that you can touch and feel them. They are the components around the computer and inside the computer that you can see and touch with your hands. Example of computer hardware includes the scanner, the CPU, motherboard, we have the mouse, we have the keyboard, we have the printer, a whole lot, etc. But as we are talking about computer hardware, what is computer itself? A computer is an electronic device that receives and processes data into meaningful information. And with the computer hardware, we have categories of computer hardware. We have the input hardware, which includes the keyboard, the mouse, the touch screen. And we also have the output hardware, which also includes the speaker and other stuff too. And we also have the processing hardware, which includes the CPU. And we also have the storage hardware, which also includes the SSD, the hard drives, the flash drives. These are all storage hardwares. Okay, so now we are looking at the differences between a computer hardware and a computer software. What makes a computer hardware different from a computer software? A computer hardware is physical, you can see, but a computer software is not physical, you can't see them. A computer software can crash, but a computer hardware can rather break, it will break. And a computer hardware is mostly bought as a product in a box, but a computer software is mostly installed from the internet or downloaded from the internet. So we install computer software on our computers, whilst the computer hardwares, we buy them as products in a packaging box. And now we are looking at the importance of computer hardwares. A computer hardware enables processing of data. They help the data to be processed. They also make communication very easy. They make communication so easy and simple. They also store information. Flash drives, SSD, hard drives, they all store information. And they allow user interaction. It makes interaction with the computer so much simple and easy. Okay, so we can't talk about computer hardware without talking about the motherboard. What is motherboard? The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the other components of the computer together. They connect every other component of the computer. They are the center of everything. They are the main component. Listen to the name, motherboard. Without the motherboard, the computer cannot function. So the motherboard connects all the components of the computer together so that it can make processing easy, it can make communication very easy, user interaction very easy. And we have some key features of the motherboard. We have the CPU, we have the CPU sockets which holds the CPUs. When we say sockets, they hold the CPU is the main brain of the computer, and the socket on the motherboard holds them together. We also have the RAM, that's the memories. We have the RAM slots, that's where the memories are inserted. That is where we insert the RAM, the memories. We also have the PCLE slot, that is where we insert the graphic cards into the computer. We also have the SATA slots, that is where we insert our storage devices, the hard disks, the SSD. We have the BIOS and the chiplets and etc. So this is the end of our presentation. Once again, my name is Harrison Kumsin, and thank you so much for your time, for your cooperation. Bye bye.